Morning everyone, Ian from DIY Home and Gardening. A bit blustery today, but it's Mothering Sunday, so thought I'd do an appropriate video this morning. Little catch up on how the rose cuttings are doing. So hopefully a few of you have seen the video on how to prune your rose bush, and the rose bush in question is that, which is Mum in a Million. Fabulous rose, repeat flowering, good disease resistant, highly fragrant. So from the cuttings in the autumn, from the pruning back in the autumn, I took several cuttings, some in pots which unfortunately died when we had the period of ice and snow, but they are the ones that are in the ground. So I thought today would be a perfect day for lifting and showing you what has happened below that surface. Right, here it goes. We're going to learn together. So just using a fork rather than spade, just as we know we're dealing with some delicate roots. So just getting below, you'll lift up. Just the first signs of some fibrous root. Yeah. You see those? So started, but not enough. What I'll do now is I'll just leave the cuttings in the ground until we get to the back end of summer, possibly the autumn time when it's a bit cooler again. Lift the cuttings and they'll be established then enough to pot on and give me, what we got, 6 new plants. So yeah, so far so good.